Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS KMS for encrypting training data, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS KMS for encrypting training data, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Key Management Service dashboard. If you haven't already, create a new Customer Master Key, or CMK. Select Create Key to begin the key creation process. Choose the key type, either symmetric or asymmetric, based on your use case. For most encryption needs, select the symmetric option. Next, provide an alias for your new key, which will make it easily recognizable. Add an optional description to clarify its purpose. Configure key administrative permissions by selecting the IAM users or roles that will manage this key. Then, set the usage permissions for the users or roles that will encrypt and decrypt data with this key. Review your key settings and click Create Key to finalize the process. Once your CMK is created, take note of its Amazon Resource Name, or ARN, as you will need it later. Now, head to your preferred integrated development environment or code editor. Ensure you have the AWS SDK installed for your programming language of choice. Set up your AWS credentials file with the necessary access keys. Use the following code snippet to import the AWS SDK in your script. For Python, include import boto3. Initialize a KMS client by using KMS_client equals boto3.client, KMS. Now you are ready to encrypt your training data. Prepare the data you want to encrypt as a byte string. Use the encrypt function of your KMS client. Pass the data along with the key ID parameter using the ARN of your CMK. The encrypt function will return a ciphertext blob. Store this blob securely for later decryption. For decryption, utilize the decrypt function with your ciphertext blob. This function will return the original plaintext data. Keep in mind that managing the permissions and the lifecycle of your keys is essential for security. With these steps, you can securely authenticate and manage your encryption needs with AWS KMS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.